Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. For the month of April, we're going to spend some time discussing QuickBooks. QuickBooks has many features, many things that we can utilize to make our life easier, to track our finances more simply. However, there's a lot of things we just do not know. So we're going to spend some time highlighting some things that can make your life much easier. So let me ask you a question. If you're a QuickBooks user, do you know what version of QuickBooks you're using? Many users do not know the answer to that. And so the number one mistake we make is not understanding the features that we have regarding our QuickBooks subscription. So some of the common features that most QuickBooks users do not know. So number one is the class function. There was one time I was sitting, actually hosting a webinar and explaining the class function, and there were several people that did not realize that they actually had that class function. They actually went into their QuickBooks right in the class and was like, "Oh, I didn't know I had that." And so these are features certain features you have to turn on, and class function is one of those. So class function is, for instance, if you are a nonprofit, you can track your grants by using the class function. You can also use the class function if you want to track events or programs or services. So that definitely comes in handy. Another feature many QuickBooks users do not know is that you can actually enable numbers on your chart of accounts. So a lot of people like to see numbers with their chart of accounts. And so you actually have to turn that feature on. Another feature many businesses do not realize is that they actually have project tracking, and so you that's another feature you have to track on. So if you work in that type of environment where it's project based, you may be paying for project tracking. However, you just have to turn that feature on. Another feature many businesses or even nonprofits do not realize is that you can actually create custom fields on your sales forms. You can also add your logo, and there's different things you can do with your sales form. Another feature that you have to turn on is purchase orders. So a lot of people do not realize that you have to turn that feature on. Many people say, well, oh, QuickBooks doesn't create purchase orders. Yes, they do. You just have to turn those features on. So understanding the features will definitely help you understand how QuickBooks can help your business. So your homework for today is, you know what, log into QuickBooks and go under company and settings and see what features your version of QuickBooks has. Now every feature has the same thing because of course, each subscription has its own features. And so the plus and advanced, they have more features than the self-employed. So just go in there, start looking around, and you may be surprised there may be a feature that could actually help save you some time and headache. Hopefully you find this information helpful. Make sure you share it with a friend, and I'll see you next